Want to spend your crypto like cash, earn cash back, and get global perks? Let's break down everything you need to know about the Bybit Card, from who can apply to the fees, rewards, limits, and more. Let's go. Who can apply for a Bybit card? You need to complete Identity Verification Level 2. This includes a valid proof of identity, a recent proof of address from the last 3 months. Make sure you're from an eligible country, and remember, Bybit may still decline your application based on internal checks. Card types. Bybit offers MasterCard and Visa options. The card type you get depends on your country of residence when you apply. All the fees. Here's the fee breakdown. Foreign exchange fee, 1% crypto conversion fee, 0.9% annual fee, none inactivity or cancellation fee, none virtual card, free physical card, just $5 ATM. Withdrawal first $100 per month is free, then it's 2%. How it works. The Bybit card doesn't have its own wallet. It uses your funding account. You can top it up by buying fiat or crypto with one-click by transferring crypto from another wallet or exchange. Spending limits. You can't customize your spending limits. They're fixed at $5,000 daily, $50,000 monthly, $250,000 annually. ATM withdrawals. Yes, you can withdraw from ATMs using your physical card or Apple, Google Pay. Just note the fees after that free $100 monthly withdrawal. Cashback and rewards. Cashback is where Bybit Card really shines. 2% to 10% cashback based on your Bybit VIP level, 100% cashback at select partners like Netflix, Spotify, Amazon Prime, ChatGPT, TradingView. Cashback is capped monthly, so check your limits. Payment compatibility. Use your virtual card instantly with Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Samsung Pay. Spend your crypto or fiat anywhere contactless is accepted. Delivery and security. Bybit partners with DHL for fast, free global delivery of your physical card. And don't worry, your assets are protected with two-factor authentication, instant card freeze via app 24/7, fraud monitoring, bonus features. Turn on auto savings and earn up to 8% APR on your idle funds right from your card balance. No extra transfers needed. Currency support. Choose to pay in USD or crypto. Supported cryptos include BTC, ETH, XRP, TON, USDT, USDC, MNT, BNB, and more coming soon. So that's your full tour of the Bybit card. Secure, flexible, packed with perks, and ready for global spending. Next up, I'll show you exactly how to apply for your Bybit card step by step. So hit that like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss it.